Welcome back, and let's examine the state of Idaho. The state of Idaho has chosen to closely align their computer science standards with that of CSTA and ISTE. These are two major organizations that have written standards for modern computer science education. At Rex, we have matched Idaho's visions with our own. The main requirement that we need to be aware of is that in Idaho, a law was passed recently that essentially tells high schools that they must offer a computer science course of some kind. If it is not possible to offer it directly in class within a district or a school, then virtual instruction is possible. One of the things Idaho is trying to do is to get more teachers to get involved in computer science. So the most direct path is to actually pass the Praxis State Computer Science exam. Unfortunately, not that many people have done it. As you can see, there is a general shortage of computer science teachers in Idaho. This probably means there will be quite a few teacher shortages across the state. So the Praxis exam tests the 5 core components as outlined here in computer science. Let me make that a bit bigger so we can see a little more. It is part of STEM education, computer science is. The goal is to essentially reach out to marginalized racial, ethnic groups, low-income students, females, and other essentially unrepresented groups in computer science. And to do that, computer science has 7 core practices, as you can see again outlined here, that they are really focusing on in the state of Idaho. Since Idaho is aligned to CSTA and ISTE, these are the courses I am recommending for high school. So I will let you read that list on your own. Pause it if you need to. These are the middle school. Again, this is relatively consistent with most states since they seem to have very similar standards in middle school. And then finally, an elementary. I've created a series of Gantt charts that will allow you to kind of see the pathways in high school, middle school, and elementary. This is a recommendation. It doesn't have to be adhered to strictly, but regardless, it's a good way to get students to follow a specific pathway for them to get as much information on computer science as possible. These are the recommended certifications that Idaho offers, or we can offer through the state of Idaho. And of course, these are our additional alignments and collaborators. Okay, that's it for Idaho.